The second PrepareBuddy story is for colleges and universities. Here the question is not only how students practice. It is how academic teams evaluate work consistently, explain decisions, and keep up with the volume. University already has standards, rubrics, exemplars, reference material, moderation practices, and academic judgment. The platform should work with those standards instead of applying a generic comment to every submission. PrepareBuddy can ground evaluation in your rubric and reference library. Similar high-quality work becomes context. Criteria mapped to evidence. The result is easier for a teacher to inspect and easier for a student to understand. For critical evaluations, independent verification can check the first pass and flag disagreement for review. The documented benchmark is 94% plus alignment with human graders. That is a benchmark with a boundary. It supports academic work. It does not replace academic authority. Reference snapshot versioning keeps the basis of an evaluation reproducible. If a grade is questioned later, the team can see the rubric and reference context that informed the decision instead of trying to reconstruct it from memory. Batch processing changes the operational maths. Work that would take a teacher 15 or 20 minutes per submission can move through a structured workflow with evidence and exceptions visible for human review. Then the institutional workspace connects the pieces: courses, classes, enrollments, teacher materials, roster imports, work queues, gradebook outcomes, at-risk signals, and improvement reports. The team can move from a single submission to the shape of a cohort. AIintegration can connect the workflow to an existing LMS, while role-aware access keeps administrators, teachers, and learners in the right view. The aim is not another island. It is an assessment layer that fits the way the institution already works. So why choose PrepareBuddy for colleges and universities? Because trustworthy scale is not just faster processing. It is faster processing with a visible reason, a review path, and standards that belong to the institution. If your team is spending its best hours chasing submissions, moderating inconsistent feedback, or answering grade questions without an audit trail, bring that workflow to PrepareBuddy. That is the place to start.